In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Mailchimp. This is a simple process that allows you to give your account a fresh, personalized touch, whether you're updating your branding or just want to add a bit more personality to your profile. So let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp homepage. Now take a moment to look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you should notice a small circular icon. This represents your profile. Go ahead and click on that icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a list of options. From that menu, select the option labeled Profile. Clicking this will take you to your personal profile settings. This is the section of your account where you can make various changes to personalize your profile and account information. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see a button that says Upload Photo. This is where you'll be able to update your profile picture. Click on that button and a File Explorer window will open up on your computer. At this point, you can navigate through your files to find the image that you want to use as your new profile picture. Take a moment to consider what kind of photo you'd like to use. It could be a professional headshot, your company logo, or anything else that best represents you or your brand. When you've made your selection, click Open to choose that image. Mailchimp will then begin uploading the photo you've selected. The upload process is usually quick, but the time it takes can depend on the size of your image. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your new profile picture displayed on the screen. Before finishing up, take a moment to make sure everything looks just right. Does the image fit well within the circular frame? Is it clear and exactly what you want others to see? If everything checks out, congratulations, you've successfully updated your Mailchimp profile picture. This simple update not only adds a personal touch to your account, but it also helps strengthen your brand identity, especially if you're working with a team or collaborating with others on your Mailchimp campaigns. A recognizable profile picture can make a big difference in creating a cohesive professional presence, and that's all there is to it. You've now refreshed your Mailchimp profile with a brand new image. It's always a good idea to keep things updated, and a new profile picture is a great way to start. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.